And just going back to the resignation of Dee Forbes and you calling for that, do you now think it's a matter for yourselves to consider your own positions, having made such a monumental error in denying the people of the country an opportunity to have the questions that need to be answered? Do you not think now yourselves you've made such a massive error in this regard that you need to consider your own positions in the board?
I don't know what to say to you. Those were decisions that were taken.
Do you accept that that was a mistake now? The fact that me as a member and my colleagues don't have an opportunity to ask the questions we want to ask of the former DG because the resignation was accepted on Monday, remarkably 2 days before this hearing.
Yeah, and it wasn't for that motive. That wasn't the motivation. I mean,
how do you think people feel though, looking in at that? It happens 2 days before the hearing. There's a resignation, and you accept it as a board, and then the following day there's a damning report of the same person.
Well, the report came from the executive. Just to be clear, our decisions taken around that were what we agreed as a board, because we felt that what had happened was shocking.
It was shocking. Everyone agrees what happened was shocking. It is shocking. What's going on is still shocking. But do you not accept that that was a huge error on your part because you've denied the people an opportunity for further interrogation in relation to this?
Well, I accepted her resignation, or the board accepted the resignation.
That's not what I asked you. I asked you, do you accept it was a monumental mistake on your part?
If that's your opinion, I'll accept
I've asked you a question. I didn't give you an opinion. I asked you, do you accept that it is? Do you either yes or no?
I said, if that's
you either agree with me or you disagree with me. Which is it?
Okay, so...
You'd do it again tomorrow, that's what I'm asking, would you?
Well, as I said already, the DG still has an opportunity to come before this committee.
You know that our remit only stretches so far. You know that well.
Yeah.
So what I'm asking you now, will you accept that you made a mistake, or do you stand over your decision?
Well, I stand over the decision that the board took. Maybe in hindsight now, what you're saying that, you know, this was...
And did anyone in the committee...
We took the legal advice on it, and that was what we did.
Did anyone in the board flag that actually maybe there would be some public scrutiny deserved by the people on this, and that having the DG still in situ to answer questions would be a good idea? Did anyone think of that?
No.
Was that raised by anybody at the board?
We didn't talk about that, no.
Didn't talk about that, because we don't matter to you, and that is the bottom line. The people don't matter to you.
I don't think that's fair.
And the fact that 10 weeks ago you were before our committee, asked a number of questions, you didn't even come back to us since then. That's how much regard you have for the Oireachtas, that's how much regard you have for the people, and I think your actions this week in seeking the resignation and accepting the resignation sum that up.